Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your scene and assets so you can iterate quickly. Open Unity, create a 3D project, and import ProBuilder and terrain tools. These give immediate geometry control. Then set up a simple camera rig and enable a 1/1 scale grid so you keep real-world proportions. Once done, block out rough volumes with ProBuilder primitives, mark floors, walls, and major voids. Make sure to save a scene variant. That way you can revert if the scale needs correction. You now refine the blocked layout into usable space. Convert ProBuilder shapes into colliders and unfold surfaces for direct UV tweaks. This is why you set a consistent grid. For outdoor regions, sculpt terrain and add trees at LOD distances to preserve performance. Once geometry is stable, bake a quick light map preview to spot dark corners and make lighting decisions. Also create nav mesh sources and light probes before populating with props. This guarantees you finish by optimizing and validating the space for gameplay. Merge static geometry where possible, enable occlusion culling, and set GPU instancing on repeated materials. These steps keep frame rates stable. Bake final lighting at desired quality, then run through player paths to verify collisions and AI navigation. If something goes wrong, say clips, missing shadows, or stuck AI, first inspect object scale and overlapping colliders. Then ensure light probes and nav mesh sources cover the problem area. Rebake only the affected maps to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.